Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make your very own dragonflies.
Here is what you'll need. A cardboard tube, some paint, a paintbrush, some water, scissors, glue, a pen or pencil, some construction paper, and some tissue paper. First, you're going to paint your cardboard tube. I'm going to do mine over this piece of paper so that it doesn't make such a mess. You can paint it however you'd like. This is going to be the body of your dragonfly. Once you're finished, you're going to let it dry. I'm going to set mine aside and prep some of my other materials now. You're going to take your scissors and cut 2 strips of construction paper for the antennas and 2 rectangles of tissue paper for the wings. Once your cardboard tube is fully dry, you can move on to the next step, the wings. You are going to take both tissue paper rectangles, put one on top of the other, pinch in the middle and twist them together. Then you can glue them on. Next, if you want your antennas curled, you can take them and wrap them around a pen or a pencil, and then you glue those on. You may want to let it dry a little bit, but then you have your very own dragonfly.